Hello everyone, I'm Saeed Kohansel. In this tutorial video, I'll introduce you to an advanced AI Upscaler and guide you through its step-by-step usage. An AI Upscaler leverages artificial intelligence to enlarge and enhance low-resolution images or videos while maintaining or even enhancing sharpness and detail. Unlike conventional upscaling methods that often produce blurry results, AI-driven tools analyze visual patterns and intelligently reconstruct missing data to deliver clearer, high-quality outputs. First, I want to show you several examples of image upscaling that I have done. I use Leonardo AI for this purpose. Leonardo has a tool called Universal Upscaler that we can use to perform amazing upscales. I should mention that all the tools we are going to use are completely free. And here is an example of upscaling I did on an image of a specific design. This style of design is called paisley. Alright, let's teach you how to upscale using Leonardo AI. I have a few AI-generated images here. Let's look at them first. Well, first go to the Leonardo website at leonardo.ai. Then click on the Launch App or Get Started button. We are now on the login page. Here, we will create an account using the Continue with Email option with a random email. To do this, simply go to the website temp-mail.org and choose an email address. Now, I will set a random password. Okay, in this step, we enter the verification code to log into the Leonardo account. In this step, just check this option and click the Let's Go button. Now your account is ready to use. From the tools, find the Universal Upscaler option and enter it. In this panel, upload and select the image you want to upscale as the source image. I will upscale all these images one by one. In this input, called Creativity Strength, you can determine the amount of creativity the AI uses in the upscaling process. A higher number means more creativity is used, and a lower number means less creativity, resulting in an output closer to the source image. Now, let's try a few settings and examine their outputs. When you create an account, Leonardo gives you 150 tokens. Whenever your tokens run out, to bypass this limitation, you just need to repeat the process from the beginning. Alright, now let's move on to upscaling the next images. I will check all of them one by one. In this step, let's carefully examine and compare these images with their upscaled versions. As you can see, the images that were upscaled with a higher creativity level have reached an amazing quality. Especially this image of the car rim, which I think has been upscaled superbly. Wow, look at this, what is this? Very well, let's move on to upscaling the next images. Since our tokens have run out, to continue, we need to create a new account. So, I will log out and create a new account. In this step, using the delete button, I request a new email. And then, I proceed exactly as before. Okay, now it's time to upscale the remaining images. Since free accounts are limited to 5 megapixels for upscaling, I will reduce this level a bit. Because this image has larger dimensions compared to the previous ones, I had to do this. Alright, now I will upscale the rest of the images so we can check them all at once. Yes, I think this output is excellent. This one is also extraordinary. And this is the last output. Now I want to take a screenshot of this man's face and upscale it again. Yes, and this way you can upscale an image multiple times and achieve more details each time. Now, let's check all the outputs of this series together. Yes, now you can feel the difference in quality and details more. I think this upscaled image of the eye is very excellent. What do you think? And this is the image of this man's face that we have upscaled twice. Alright, now I want to teach you how to reduce the size of upscaled images without feeling any loss in quality. For this, go to the website iloveimg.com. Then find the Compress Image tool and enter it. Select your desired images like this and click on the Compress Images button. Yes, as you saw, all our images were compressed that quickly. In this section, you can see the amount of size reduction. In fact, in this example we had a 68% reduction in size. Using this button, we can download all our images as a zip file. Now, let's compress a single image as an example and compare it before and after compression. For this, I choose this image which has a size of 1.58 megabytes. Yes, our image has been reduced in size by 65%. Now, let's compare the compressed image with its previous version. This is the compressed image. And this is the uncompressed image. As you can see, both images are identical and the new image has been compressed without any loss in quality. So, in this video, we learned how to upscale our images with excellent quality using free tools. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. To stay updated with my latest content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I value your thoughts and feedback, so don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video beneficial.
Because I will not quit, not because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.